everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to use Snowball Analytics, how can you use? So, I will explain clearly today. Snowball Analytics gonna help you organize and visualize your data and your statistics. So let's go. So first, you need to go to Safari, so Google Chrome first on your computers. And what you need to do is go ahead to snowball.com. So okay, so this is Snowball, and you will be able to see the Snowball Analytics. So just click to sign in. Okay, so if you already have a account, I think you can sign in easily. Or now, if you just want to start a new account, just click Get Started for free, and you can connect with Google or Apple as well. So if you want to sign up, you need to choose one of your options. If you want to use Google or Apple, just go ahead and just agree the terms and condition here. Choose your Gmail account that you want to create and just continue. Okay, so wait for a while, and now you are in trial period and you will be able to use. So just click accept all these location. Okay, so this is your home screen, and what you can do now is try to create a project. So Snowball gonna help you to visualize your data as I mentioned before. So this is your dashboard, right? So if you want to add work on your project, you can choose. And also if you're a trader, Snowball Analytics gonna help you for a lot. So just try to add, and if you want to work for trader holding, the dividend incomes, the spreadsheets, the managed card, whatever project you can choose. Okay, so if I want to try for one of the project like portfolio, just click to create. So now this is my portfolio. So if you want to insert portfolio, just type your name, and you can also put the your default currency as US dollars, and this is your goals, values or passive incomes, and you can also insert the amount of money as well. And after successfully putting the detail, just go ahead to next. And now you will be able to see if you want to connect to your brokerage or enter your holdings or upload brokerage statements or try the demonstration portfolio, you can choose and just complete. Okay, sure. And then you will be able to see your sample portfolio, fund, stock, cash, commodities, and financials, and you will be able to see also statistics and data. So if you're the one who work for your financial management by yourself, or now you just want to use Snowball Analytics for your tradings or whatever, so it can help you a lot by using various kinds of service. So in some case, this is my free trial version. If you are a premium version, you will be able to upload your file from your computers and you can ask for the analytics as well. If you want to get diversification, pie charts, or if you want to get it with the graph or chart, you can get. So that's how to use Snowball Analytics, guys. I hope this will help you a lot and thank you so much. See you bye, guys.